Well, it's a lovely afternoon in April. Sun's shining. It's been a bit chilly this morning, but it's warmed up. And this is where I'm going to sow my carrot seeds. And what I've been doing, I've had this plastic sheeting down for a couple of weeks just to warm the soil up a little bit. Pull it back. There we've got some nice crumbly soil, and it hasn't been manured for a whole year, because when you're sowing carrot seeds, planting carrots, having carrots grow, you don't need too much manure, and so it's best to leave it for a year without any manure at all, and then you can sow your seeds. What I'm going to try today, something a little bit different, is I'm going to sow seed tape, and you get these are from Sutton Seeds, and they're basically tape with all the seeds embedded in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see lots of little seeds, and the good thing is they're quite evenly spaced, so it means you don't tend to have too many coming up at the same time in the same place. So I'm just going to separate this, and there you can see the tape. Now, putting this in the ground is quite easy really. All you need to do is get yourself a straight line. Here's a garden line or something similar. There you've got your line, nice and straight. Tighten it a bit. There we go. And just get the end of your rake, and you want to create a little drill. Simple as that. That isn't too dry this soil. A few weeds, get rid of those. A few stones, you don't want those in there. If you can help it, get rid of them all. What I'm going to do with this is just give it a little bit of water. It'll help the tape stick to the bottom of the drill. There we go. A little bit more there. On the waste space. There we go. And then what you can do is just start unravelling the tape. So, and just take it all the way along. You can get seed tapes for different plants. I've got one for rocket, but this one is obviously for carrots. So let's just unravel it. There it goes. Might be a bit too long for the row, I'm not sure. Whoops, it's come out, don't worry about that. Just do a little bit more, and there you go. Get your scissors, cut that off, and there's your seed tape, and you want to then cover it about half an inch. Lightly cover it, just go back over it like that. Go. There it is. And then you can just water it in a little bit more. Make sure the tape's securely laid. And in a few weeks' time, hopefully we'll get a line of young carrot seedlings.